This brand is made in China and can be purchased through the manufacturer's website or on Amazon, but the warranty on the compressor is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R32 refrigerant, which is environmentally friendly, and the units are Wi-Fi enabled for control through the Della Plus smartphone app or with voice commands from Alexa and Google. The units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient as conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. The HvacRepairGuy models are available in two sizes, 8,000 or 10,000 BTU, and they have a 2-speed fan, but they are somewhat boxy looking and louder than the 048 Aposi 10 model. The 048 Aposi 10 model features a state-of-the-art inverter compressor which is quieter and more efficient. The unit has a 3-speed fan with an oscillating louver for better air circulation throughout the room and a 14,000 BTU cooling capacity. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.